Gren Rugby. The game is played with 2 dice, a red die and a blue die. The blue die is for moving players around the pitch, passing, which leads to bonus moves. The red die is for zone moves. With zone moves, players can move around the pitch quickly for support play or to defend. To tackle, push the player back, he's been stopped, or push him back, take the ball, pass, then take a bonus move. Use the sidestep card to breach a defence. Touch kicks, drop goals, kick and chase, any kind of kick can be made during play. Form a ruck, the other side has to match it. Use it or lose it. Select your lineouts targets. Who will take possession? It's on the throw. Both sides battle it out to win the ball. The scrum half collects and moves it out. Carry the ball over the line, ground the ball, but wait for the decision. Double means no try.